In the world of high-volume manufacturing, there is a pulse that never falters. It is not found in the assembly line, but deep within the steel. This is the heartbeat of precision. Every masterpiece begins with a calculation. For a complex multi-cavity mold, the challenge isn't just geometry, it is physics. We are balancing pressure, temperature, and time across 16, 32, or even 64 identical cavities. Here, a deviation of a single micron is the difference between a perfect part and a failed batch. We move from the digital to the visceral. Our 5-axis machining center stands with mathematical grace, removing steel with surgical intent. Then comes the mirror ADAM, where electricity whispers into the metal, creating surfaces so smooth they reflect the very future of the product. This isn't just machining, it is an obsession with the invisible. Now the components converge. Hundreds of custom-engineered parts, pins, bushings, sliders, and lifters must act as one. Our master toolmakers feel the fate that sensors cannot. It is a symphony of mechanical harmony where good enough doesn't exist. When the mold halves finally meet, the seal is absolute. The moment of truth, the first shot. Molten polymer screams into the cavities under tons of pressure. Within seconds, it solidifies. The mold opens, and for the first time, the heart beats. Every part is a mirror image of the last, consistent, flawless, and ready for the world. At Commoding, we don't just build tools, we build the core of your production. From our precision facility in Shanghai to the global market, we bring your most complex visions to life. Precision is our pulse. Excellence is our standard. Commoding, Shanghai, China, 3w.cnmolding.com